Hi, this is Vijay Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. TikTok official terms of service permit user to create multiple accounts provided each account complies with community guidelines and term of use. TikTok policy explicitly states that the user cannot create account for deceptive purposes, spam, or to circumvent previous bans. In 2023 and 2024, TikTok has continued to refine its policies around multiple accounts on TikTok, making it even more important to understand the proper setup process. If you're reckless, you might get shadow banned, suspended, or permanently banned, but don't worry, we kept you covered. So in this video, we'll show you how to add multiple accounts on your TikTok in one device. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our TikTok. Now, from here, you can go to your profile by tapping on the button right here. From here, you can tap on your username on the top of your screen in here. As you can see in here, I have multiple accounts on my TikTok. And if you want to add more, you can just choose on add account. Or you can go to your settings by tapping on the three lines over here. Choose on settings and privacy. You can just scroll down and choose on switch account. It's same. You can just tap on add account. From here, you can add account, and here you can log in into your another account on TikTok. Or maybe you want to create new one, you can just create a new one on your TikTok. For example, like this. Now I will sign up with a new account. Click on continue. You can create your nickname. Tap on continue. So now we have added new account to your TikTok. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add new account, how to add multiple account on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.